Every remarkable story begins with a humble root. Welcome to Shankar Narayana Cashews, where tradition, quality, and excellence come together. Nestled in Kroda Balur, Kundapura Taluk, Udupi District, Karnataka State, India. Our state-of-the-art facility is dedicated to bringing you the finest premium cashews, carefully processed with the highest standards of quality and hygiene. Established in 2012, our journey began with a humble capacity of just 8 bags per day. Guided by dedication and an unwavering commitment to quality, we have grown into a modern processing facility with the capability to process 100 bags daily. Behind this remarkable journey stands Mr. Shashidhar Shetty, the backbone of Shankar Narayana Cashews. With decades of expertise and experience in the cashew industry since 1994, his vision and leadership have been instrumental in building a name trusted for quality and excellence. In the fertile lands of coastal Karnataka, where nature blesses the soil and traditions shape livelihoods, a small idea took root, an idea that would grow into a legacy of quality, trust, and excellence. This is the story of Shankar Narayana Cashews, a story born from dedication, nurtured by hard work, and transformed into a brand known today as SNC Roots to Remarkable. This began as a modest cashew processing initiative, gradually evolved into something far greater. Driven by a passion for quality and a deep understanding of the cashew trade, the founders envisioned more than just processing nuts. They envisioned building a brand that reflects purity, authenticity, and excellence. Through perseverance and unwavering commitment, Shankar Narayana Cashews established itself as a trusted name in the cashew processing industry. Every nut processed carried not just flavor and nutrition, but also the promise of quality. Cashew processing is both a science and an art. At Shankar Narayana Cashews, traditional expertise meets systematic processing. From the careful selection of raw nuts to the delicate stages of roasting, shelling, peeling, grading, and packing, every step follows a disciplined process. Quality control is not just a procedure. It is a commitment. A commitment to deliver cashews that meet the highest standards of taste, texture, and purity. Because at Shankar Narayana Cashews, excellence is never accidental. It is carefully crafted. As the company grew, so did its vision. The journey of Shankar Narayana Cashews entered a new chapter, one that would redefine its identity and reach. From a processing unit to a distinguished brand. From tradition to transformation. Thus emerged SNC, the brand identity that represents the spirit of Shankar Narayana Cashews. SNC is more than a name. It is a symbol of heritage, authenticity, and progressive thinking. A brand built on roots, yet reaching toward remarkable possibilities. Behind every pack of cashews lies a story of many hands and many hearts. The journey begins in the orchards, where cashew apples fall naturally to the ground, signaling perfect maturity. Each nut is carefully handpicked, ensuring only the finest raw cashews move forward in the process. The journey of quality begins the moment raw cashew nuts arrive at the processing unit. They are first spread out and cleaned, removing stones, debris, and unwanted materials. Through careful sorting and sometimes washing, only clean and healthy nuts are selected for the next stage. The dried cashew nuts are then transferred to steam boilers for cooking. Using controlled steam pressure, the nuts are heated evenly. This process softens the hard outer shell and loosens the kernel inside. After steaming, the cashews are allowed to cool naturally. This conditioning phase stabilizes the moisture within the shell, ensuring the kernels remain intact during shelling. Before shelling begins, the conditioned cashew nuts pass through an advanced sorting system. Using precision grading machines, the nuts are separated based on their size and weight. Now perfectly prepared, the cashew nuts move to the next stage, shelling. Each nut passes through precision shelling machines, where sharp, calibrated blades make a controlled cut along the shell. The goal is simple, yet demanding: to break the shell without damaging the precious kernel inside. While machines ensure speed and consistency, skilled workers play an equally vital role. Their experience helps adjust the process in real time, handling delicate nuts and ensuring minimal breakage. It is this perfect balance of technology and human expertise that defines true quality. After shelling, the cashew kernels still carry a thin outer skin, known as the testa. To prepare for its removal, the kernels are placed inside a hot chamber, a carefully controlled environment where heat and airflow work in harmony. This process, known as conditioning, gently loosens the skin from the kernel without affecting its natural texture or taste. Once conditioned, the kernels move to the peeling stage. With skilled hands and careful attention, the thin skin is gently removed, revealing the smooth, white cashew beneath. After peeling, the cashew kernels enter an advanced sorting phase where precision technology ensures unmatched consistency. Using intelligent systems, each kernel is analyzed and separated based on size, shape, and overall quality. Uniformity is key to premium quality. The kernels are carefully categorized into different grades, ensuring consistency in every pack, from large whole kernels to smaller varieties. Every kernel is further examined for color and surface perfection. Any discolored or imperfect pieces are automatically identified and separated, ensuring only the finest quality moves forward. With high precision inspection, even the smallest imperfections are detected. This level of accuracy ensures that every batch meets strict quality standards, delivering consistency customers can trust. Even with advanced technology, the final assurance of quality comes from skilled human hands. Experienced workers carefully inspect and refine the selection, adding a personal touch to perfection. At Shankar Narayana Cashews, technology brings precision, but human expertise ensures excellence. Every kernel that reaches you is a result of both innovation and care. After passing through every stage of refinement, the cashews enter the final phase, packaging. In a clean and controlled environment, each kernel is carefully packed to preserve its freshness, crunch, and flavor. Sealed with precision, every pack ensures long-lasting quality from factory to consumer. Every package carries more than just cashews, it carries a promise. A promise of purity, quality, and trust built over time. The name Shankar Narayana Cashew stands as a symbol of excellence, reflecting dedication in every detail. From local markets to international destinations, these cashews travel far and wide. Carefully packed and efficiently distributed, they reach homes, stores, and global markets, carrying the taste of tradition across borders. From the orchards that nurture the harvest, to the hands that craft every kernel, behind every great product lies careful preservation. The storage facility at Shankar Narayana Cashews is designed to maintain the freshness and quality of every batch. Spacious, well-organized, and systematically managed, each section ensures safe handling from raw to finished products. Maintained under hygienic conditions, the facility is equipped with proper ventilation and monitoring systems. Regular inspections ensure that every product remains fresh, safe. With efficient handling and systematic storage, the movement of goods becomes seamless, supporting both production and timely delivery. Behind every perfect cashew lies the effort of many dedicated hands. From processing to packaging, each step is guided by skilled workers, whose experience transforms raw harvest into refined excellence. Years of experience are reflected in every movement in the precision and the attention to quality. Their dedication ensures that every kernel meets the highest standards. It is teamwork that brings everything together. With coordination, mutual respect, and shared responsibility, every member plays a part in delivering excellence. At Shankar Narayana Cashews, machines may support the process, but it is people who bring it to life. Because true quality is not just produced, it is crafted by hands that care. At the core of smooth operations lies a well-coordinated supply fleet, the true lifeline of the entire process. From sourcing raw cashew nuts directly from farms, to ensuring they reach the factory on time, every movement is planned with precision. The same fleet also connects people to purpose, providing safe and reliable transportation for the workforce. Every day, dedicated team members are brought to the facility, ensuring uninterrupted operations and timely production. And as the journey nears completion, the fleet takes on its final role, delivering finished products to markets near and far. Every great journey begins with a simple vision, a vision to create something meaningful, lasting, and trusted. With a deep understanding of the industry and a passion for quality, Mr. H. Shashidhar Shetty laid the foundation for a company built on trust and consistency. His vision was not just to process cashews but to create a brand that represents purity, reliability, and growth. Through dedication and perseverance, his journey inspired a team, built strong systems, and shaped Shankar Narayana Cashews into what it is today. Mrs. Mithila S. Shetty, as a partner, has played a key role in the growth of Shankar Narayana Cashews through her valuable insights, dedication, and continued support. Behind every successful delivery is a dedicated office team, managing every detail with care, clarity, and commitment. From above, the true scale of dedication comes into view. Spread across a well-planned facility, every section works in perfect harmony, from processing units to packaging lines. This is not just a factory. It is a center of precision, quality, and continuous movement. The scale of dedication unfolds a facility built not just with infrastructure, but with purpose. Every corner of this space tells a story of planning, precision, and progress. This is more than a facility. This is where quality begins its journey. Behind every product is a team. Behind every success is a community. Shankar Narayana Cashews stands today because of the dedication of the people who work tirelessly every day. Farmers who nurture the trees. Skilled workers who carefully process every nut. And a team that believes in delivering nothing but the best. Together, they form the heart of SNC. With strong roots and a clear vision, the future of SNC is filled with promise. The brand continues to evolve, embracing innovation, expanding its reach, and strengthening its commitment to quality. Because the journey is not just about where we began. It is about where we are going. From humble beginnings to remarkable growth. From tradition to transformation. From roots to remarkable. This is the story of Shankar Narayana Cashews. This is SNC. SNC, roots to remarkable.